Steffi Pilarinu, and today I will be sharing exciting updates from the companies that are reshaping asset and wealth management and capital markets with blockchain technology. From our inaugural report with the Wealth Mosaic, we profiled the last quarter of 2020, 12 companies that are really involved either on the infrastructure side or the banking and investment side using blockchain technology. So I will be sharing updates related to the favorable advancements on the regulatory front, the more funding in the space, more investment products in the space, and the advancements on the decentralized finance front and the central bank digital currency front. So let me start with the funding news. SEBA Bank, the crypto licensed bank in Switzerland, has completed successfully its Series B funding, and it will be offering these equity shares in a tokenized form as it has a full service tokenization offering. Chainalysis, the company that is top blockchain analysis company, offering institutional services for not only cryptocurrency businesses but also government agencies and the entire space. It has become a unicorn at a valuation of 1 billion with its Series C capital raise of 100 million. On the regulatory front, we have FICAS, which is an investment company that listed the first actively managed exchange-traded product, and it has changed its name to 15 Crypto Active ETP and has obtained approval to passport this investment product to the European Union. Also, in terms of regulatory news, Lique is at the final stages of obtaining a license from FINMA for its OTP, which is a game changer according to Lique, because it will open up its exchange to the global markets. And at the same time, Lique has launched a new service around market making for cryptocurrencies. Area 2 Invest has added 2 innovative investment products, opportunities. One is the Finca token, a security token that is taking cattle breeding as an asset class. And then there is the Green Ship token that is from a German shipping company that is looking to raise equity to buy bunkers. On the infrastructure front, Funds DLT has completed successfully a very exciting pilot with a Swiss bank, an innovative Swiss bank, the Zurich Cantonal Bank, and Clearstream. It is a cross-border transaction of completing a mutual fund settlement through the private blockchain that Funds DLT has created for the specific purpose of settling mutual fund transactions and the whole administration of that process. And now on the DeFi and stablecoin front, Consensus, its DeFi wallet, MetaMask, during the last quarter of 2020, it crossed a major milestone with 1 million monthly active users, and this milestone has become sort of solidified, and on top of that, Consensus has announced 4 important central bank digital currency pilot projects. There are 3 of them that are wholesale central bank digital currency projects. One is with the Bank of Australia, the other is with the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, and the third one here in Europe with Société Générale through their Forge initiative. The retail CBDC pilot is with the Bank of Thailand. And with that quarterly update, I want to highlight the fact that at this point, whether you're an asset manager, a wealth manager, a financial advisor, or involved in any way in the industry, you cannot ignore the fact that the cryptocurrency market capitalization is hovering around $1 trillion. This growth that has happened essentially over the past 6 months is very important, as the third and fourth quarter of 2020 was really the time that will go down in history as a major inflection point in terms of institutional buy-in. For many reasons, companies allocating to Bitcoin in their treasury allocations. We have major companies like PayPal offering cryptocurrency trading. But on top of that, we also have on the regulatory front major advancements, especially from the US. The Office of the Comptroller of Currency has announced 2 policies. One is giving the permission to banks to get involved in the stablecoin business, and also allowing banks to run a node on a public blockchain. And last but not least, you cannot ignore the growth of the stablecoin market, which has reached $30 billion, and also the decentralized finance space. Right now, the amount in dollars that is locked in the DeFi space is around 25 billion. So, having said that, I'm closing the quarterly update. See you next quarter. There's so much going on in this space that there's always interesting stuff to share with you. Our report with the Wealth Mosaic will be continuously updated. We will be adding more companies as the space matures and becomes much more institutionalized and regulated.